Everybody, this is Julie. Welcome to my channel. What we're looking at right now is my kitchen. It's a hot mess because we are doing a makeover in the pantry, the small pantry that we have. So everything is out on the counters, all that good stuff, but the inside is painted all but the bottom of it, which will be by the time that this is done. The bottom will be painted, and so let's get on with our breakfast. Okay, so this is all we're going to be needing today is buttermilk biscuits. Yes, I'm using frozen biscuits. I'm not making them from scratch because I still have shoulder problems. I'm recovering from shoulder surgery, I should say. Flour, bacon, butter. That's all we need. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm getting another pan because I forgot to get it out so I can make my gravy. You'll see how I do it here in a minute. Okay, so here I don't have any milk, so I'm going to be using half and half in my gravy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add butter to my pan and let it melt. Then I'm going to add a little bit of flour to see if it fries. It kind of sizzles in the pan, and then that means your butter is ready to add into your, no, I said that wrong. It is to add your flour to your butter to make your roux.
Baby, time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away, 'cause growing up, falling in love
Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add my flour and make my roux. What I'm going to do is make it to where my flour and my butter combine, and it's a little thick. It's not like um, dry thick. It is like a wet, moist thick. I don't have any milk, so I'm going to be using my half and half. And if I need to, I can add water to it. It'll be make it like 2%, so it's not going to hurt it.
Just like my mama said, gradually fades
Okay, now what I'm going to do is add a little bit more flour. I shouldn't, but I did. And that's why it's going to be thick.
your feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. Of all the things that are shiny and new, I'm the dull stone at the bottom of a pool, tossed by the jealous waves of the sea. I'm not as strong as I appear to be. Drowned by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone in the darkest place. In my sorrow, dream of the sun. I just wanna be the shiny one.
My gravy's a little too thick, so I'm going to add water and keep thinning it down a little bit because, as my mama would say, Aunt Kate's been at our house. That means it was real thick gravy.
Well, the water creeps where the creek don't rise. I'm a roughest stone that you'll ever find. Pick me up, throw me out, walk away and don't look back. Drowned by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone in the darkest place. In my sorrow, dream of the sun. I just wanna be the shiny one. I just wanna be the shiny one.
Okay, I said I wasn't going to fry any eggs, but I decided against it, and I'm going to fry some to put with our breakfast because of the protein. You never can have enough protein.
Drowned by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone in
I wanted to add a little tidbit information, FYI, whatever you want to call it. On your cast iron skillets, do not use a plastic spatula. It will melt them. Always use a metal. Okay, you see me separating the biscuits. What I'm doing is I'm putting butter in the middle. A lot of people don't do that, but that's the way I was raised, and it makes the biscuit taste so much better because everything is better with butter on it. Well, that is my breakfast. I hope y'all enjoyed my content. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you later. See ya, bye.